The AM490016 is a really great addition to having two toolkit. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about this Arrowmax Bearing Meter device. So this is a black and gold one, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to service a couple of bearings. I'm going to show you how we use it. So bit of an unboxing and bit of a tutorial all at once. So go ahead here and open it, get it out of the packet. Beautifully anodized and finished. Very typical Arrowmax. Okay, now it's a tapered tool with a lot of machined graduations in it, and we can see here, I don't know if we can see the writing, so it goes from 2 mil all the way to 15 mil, and that's where the inside diameter of the bearing will sit. So I've got 11 by 5 by 4s here and 8 by 16s, so we can not only check the size, which we can see here, definitely it's going right to the 8 mil mark. We know that that's an 8 mil bearing, and what you can do here is roll it in your thumb and you can feel if it's dry, notchy, or got grit in it. And this one here, I mean, this is a brand new bearing, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I go about and clean and service my bearings. So I've got some brake cleaner here. Go ahead and shake this one up, and then I'm going to just simply spray it into the bearing like so, and you can see here that all the lubricant now is washed out of it. It's spinning really freely like so. And the good thing about brake clean is that it evaporates really quickly, so it shouldn't leave any residue behind. So once all that's out, and we can see how quiet and how clean it is, I get some Arrowmax high-speed bearing oil here, and I'll go ahead and apply a couple of drops of that straight into the ball race, just on top of the shield here. Like so. You don't need to flood it, and just work that through like so, and that is it. We'll take that one off and set that to the side. And like I said, it does a whole range of size of bearings. So here is 11 by 5 by 4, very typical Tamiya bearing. So that should go on the 5 mil step, which it does indeed, and gives me the ability to then get the brake cleaner, clean it out, wash out all the old oil and any dirt that's in there. Now if that bearing was rubber sealed, I might go ahead and pop that rubber seal off with a hobby knife, but as this is a steel seal, it's letting the brake cleaner go in there and flush all the lubricant and greases out the bottom. Go ahead here, a couple of drops of oil on top, work that in. There we go, and that is a beautiful lubricated pair of bearings, and it's as easy as that. So the tool here, the AM490016, is a really great addition to having two toolkit. Yeah, there's nothing else really like it in your tool bag. It's really good, really safe to use, good for sizing and servicing your bearings. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial and product show. I'm Brett from Hearns, and thanks for watching.